So, my allegory is a starship or a spaceship, and all like different parts, like different structures represent different members of the crew, or they represent different like machines or processes of the spaceship. Like for instance, the plasma membrane. That's that multicolored thing around the whole spaceship. That is the force field around the ship. It allows like debris and stuff to not hit the actual hull of the spaceship, very much like how that phospholipid bilayer keeps out harmful chemicals, harmful bacteria from the inside of the cell. However, sometimes harmful bacteria, harmful molecules do get into the cell anyway. That's why we have security, Mr. Peroxisome right here. He goes around, he finds like really bad bacteria, really bad molecules, kicks them right out, or just dissolves them entirely, takes them over to recycling over here, which is the lysosome. That's this is supposed to say lysosome, and puts it into the lysosome. I know that the peroxisome doesn't actually take it and put it into the lysosome, but the lysosome dissolves it, gets rid of, like if the mitochondria goes bad, then it can just take that and then absorb it and then dissolve it. And then over here we have the nucleus, aka the command center. It houses all of the genetic DNA in this computer right here. That's one part of the nucleus, but the nucleolus is like a smaller structure within the nucleus. So this is my captain of the ship, and my source for the difference between the nucleus and the nucleolus is this National Library of Medicine article right here, because I had no idea that those are two different things. So, So the nucleolus, on top of like making sure the nucleus is run correctly, the nucleolus creates these ribosomes. So in my allegory, it's the Captain Nucleolus is training these engineers, these two ribosome engineers. And then the ribosome engineers, they go over to the rough side of the endoplasmic reticulum, ER. They go to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomes, and they create proteins. They only create proteins, but that is the like main thing that the ship produces. So they go over to the Golgi apparatus. This orange little dude right here, he's inside of the Golgi apparatus. He sorts them out. He figures out what proteins need to go to the mitochondria, what proteins need to go to the peroxisomes, back to the nucleus, and then all different sorts of structures within the cell, or what proteins and other things need to be shipped out of the cell entirely. Those other things are created by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They create like lipids, and I believe it is just lipids. Yes. Yeah, the other molecules, that's what my note says. That's what the Golgi apparatus does. It takes everything from the endoplasmic reticulum, takes it into the Golgi apparatus, sorts out what needs to go where, it shoots it out, like takes certain things and shoots them out, sends it to, I don't know, that's weird looking orange spaceship over there. Additionally, we have the cytoplasm, which acts as like the, the like zero gravity air, like atmosphere of the spaceship, because the cytoplasm allows things to just kind of exist and stay in place. That is also the cytoskeleton, but that's what the cytoplasm does, similar to how if this is an actual spaceman, he could just kind of float around. That's exactly what you do in the cytoplasm. You just swim around, keeps everything insulated, keeps everything from drying out. It's very important. My source for the smooth and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, British Society for Cell Biology.